Typhoon Mawar brought strong winds to Miyako Island in Okinawa Prefecture, southwestern Japan on June 1st. Officials issued a storm warning on the island overnight to brace for the second typhoon of the season. Miyakojima City Hall said there have been no reports of injuries or damage to buildings as of late morning. Winds of up to 45 meters per second were expected to blow. Officials said all 26 elementary and junior high schools in the city closed for the day. The weather has also affected flight operations. The Miyako, Naha, and New Ishigaki airports closed all day, and all flights to and from Okinawa Prefecture were canceled.